Rachel, how big are you? Can you show me how big you are?
No, Ma.
She's small. She says no, small.
Can you go so small?
No, Ma.
Is Mommy big or small? I'm small?
How
That's
big's
it.
Freya?
I don't know.
Does Mommy have something on her
Bill.
face? Do you need to wash Mommy's face? Oh, thank you.
Oh, you're cleaning Mommy's face. Good job.
Oh, over there? Yeah. Did a good job. Where else? Do I have more? Thank you, Rachel. You did a good job. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Is Daddy big or small?
Ma.
Daddy's small?
Yes, no big.
Yeah, he's big.
Oh.
And Rachel, what happened today at school?
I don't know.
Was it something about Jacob?
No.
Today's July 28th, right? Was it
Right.
Jacob's birthday?
Happy birthday, Jacob.
That's right. Happy birthday to you,
Jacob.
Jacob. That's right. That was fun, wasn't it?
Happy birthday to Jacob.
That's right. And you played with a piñata, right?
Okay, Mommy, Daddy, away.
Mommy, Daddy, Freya?
Okay, bye-bye, Rachel.